You gotta be tuned into the channel, man. I'm tired of everybody asking me where the car is. What's wrong with the car? Is it drivable? How much money you put in it? When did you do the interior? Who did the interior? Where you get the interior fabric? All the questions, man. There's a lot of questions y'all be asking me, man. All you gotta do is go tune in to this playlist on this car. 1979 Impala Road Restoration. Got the whole playlist. Show everything done to this car. From the good to the bad. From the good to the bad. Come on, bro. It's my first build, man. I'm like the first person putting this Destroyer Gray on the old school, too. Don't let people fool y'all. I'm the first, bro. I'm the first. Me and Boost Doctor, our grades not the same grade. So stop comparing my grade to Boost Doctor grade, because Boost Doctor grade darker.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like frog legs. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Yeah, man, I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a minute, y'all. But yeah, she's still here. Lala is still here. I'm trying to see what I'm about to do, man. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna take this 3 feet out and turn it to and put a 383 in here and just keep my block, go through my block. Or if I'm LS swap. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think I should do, man. And right now, Lala is still not receiving. Lala still not getting gas to the carburetor. I don't know what's wrong. I changed the mechanical fuel pump once. I know that thing went bad again that fast. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, bro. So I'm gonna take it to my mechanic up the street. He in the hospital. I went to him, got hospital. I don't like dealing with a lot of other people. You know what I'm saying? I like dealing with people who I know they stuff. You know what I'm saying? Who ain't gonna bullshit. But yeah, man, it's Lala. Yeah, I know Lala ain't went nowhere. Lala still looking good, dirty now. Rallies, she got the rallies. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people be telling me to keep the rallies on here, don't put no rims on here. But man, I'm from the South. You know I got to throw some rims on there. Nah, I'm just playing. I probably don't put no rims on here. I probably keep the rallies on there. Give me another box Chevy to put the rims on with the LS Broham or something. But man, you know Lala is clean. Custom grill, y'all know that they light up at night. Still gotta get my other marker light. But that one don't work, I get that. I'm gonna replace all that stuff anyway. But if you know. Billet steering wheel, Chevy bow tie horn, suede wrap, suede headliner, orange leather, you know what I'm saying? New carpet, pretty much everything pretty much new for real. The stuff that's not new, I'm about to make it new, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, like I said, this for the people who ain't been tuned into the channel. You know, all this new. I had a gap right there. That rear seal bumper filler, all that's new, bro. I don't know why my gas cap keep losing the gas cap. Because it don't be attached to the thing like new cars, and I always lose the damn gas cap. I'm wondering if that's the problem I'm having, because I don't have no gas cap on there, bro. But I doubt it, seriously though. But man, bought a Chevy, bro. Y'all know, but this my baby right here. This is my Trail, I got a Trailblazer SA. You know what I'm saying? Well, Trailblazer LT turned to it. So check this out, y'all. What if the fuel line, the metal fuel line, shot to put on? What if this the reason I'm not getting gas? What if it's the kink in here? There's a kink in there. What if that's the reason I'm not getting back gas? But I was getting good gas. I wonder if that's the reason. I'm about to take that joke off though. I wonder if that's the reason, bro. I don't know. But it damn sure it's squeezed like. I feel like gas can still get through that, but I don't know. I might take that junk off though. That might be my problem. I'll take him off. That might be my problem. Don't join me, I'll come down with no bike grip. Hey, Thing got that thing loose that fast though. It broke that thing loose that fast. I ain't even have to adjust it. Went straight on there and broke it loose. That wasn't my problem, dog, the whole time. That shit crazy how he even got that up and through there like that. How the hell did he do that? Yeah. Okay, there you go. Look, this my got doggone problem. Look how trick that thing is, y'all. I know the only way to see that is put something down in there. What if that's my problem? Look at that. That might be the problem. I feel like gas was still flow though. I don't know. They don't show about the sea though. I don't know what's going on, bro. My joint ain't never had no gas problem until that got put on. And I've been able to ride and stuff, but yeah, bro. Like I said, if you know, this is my baby right here. My first old school. This is my first bill. You know what I'm saying? The first car I put music in. Right, bro. I've been fooling with cars for a long time, but when it came to old school, my first old school, y'all. My first old school. And I doubt that I'm gonna sell it. I might sell I got a shout bed too. I ain't selling that either. But if I get some more old school, I probably sell those. But the ones I first started with, I can't sell them. I gotta hold on to them. The value to me. Unless you come with that paper. You come with a paper that I can't, if you come with enough paper I can't resist, then that thing got to go, boy. Cash talk, bullshit walk. If you come with that paper that I can't resist, boy, you can have it, boy. Shit. Get on up down the road in it, too. You feel me? But if you don't come with that paper, I got to have it, bro. Like, I can't. It's my first bill. And look at it. It's my first bill. Look at it. Come on, bro. It's my first bill, man. I'm like the first person to put this Destroyer Gray on the old school, too. Don't let people fool y'all. I'm the first, bro. I'm the first. Me and Boost Dr. our grade not the same grade. So stop comparing my grade to Boost Dr. grade. Because Boost Dr. grade dark. Boost Dr. grade not this color gray on the box shelf. We keep telling y'all that. Boost Dr. Gray is not the same color gray on this box Chevy. Boost Dr. Gray is darker than this. This, nah, it's not the same, bro. It's not the same. You gotta be tuned into the channel, man. I'm tired of everybody asking me where the car is. What's wrong with the car? Is it drivable? How much money you put in? When did you do the interior? Who did the interior? Where you get the interior fabric? All those questions, man. Well, the rallies, did you been how the rallies or the rallies move? How many times you put different tires on the rallies? There's a lot of questions y'all be asking me, man. All you gotta do is go tune in to this playlist on this car. 1979 Impala Road Restoration. Got the whole playlist. Show everything done to this car. From the good to the bad. Like I'm telling y'all right now, I ain't moved the car because it's not getting gas to the carburetor. I don't know why. I bagged the car in right here. What's the toll right here? It was bagged in right here. You can tell it's leak. I bagged it in right here. I felt it started sounding weird when I was driving, but I'm beat, bro. I don't know why it's not getting gas, bro. I don't know why, bro. It's just still trying to crank everything, bro. The gas not going to the fuel system, bro. I don't know. So I just took this boat right here. Right there. You know what when I take the fuel pump off, the bolts that go in right there for the fuel pump, I put one of those into that hole I just took this bolt out from. So I can hold that post up and I'll put the fuel pump back on there. I probably the post probably down again, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna try that too. As well as change this. I don't know, bro. I don't. Let me see if there's any fuel coming through there, motherfucker. Yeah, that's just bone dry, dog. It might not be there. That joint bone dry. I'm talking about ain't no gas. Yeah, that might not be it. Cause I got gas in my tank, y'all. Like, it's gas in the tank, bro. All from not being able to crank this thing, my batteries done died. Trying to crank it. These battery dead. Trying to crank it. They got a little juice on them, but they dead, bro. Buy Chevy, buy Chevy.